Hello, ladies and gentlemen. As you saw, I'm putting my dirty gloves. It means that I will do today something dirty. Actually, work that we will do here now is to see if in this building we are able to use the toilet. So I need to find where the water comes to the toilet and how to manage to do a water arrival. But also I would like to get some rubbish out. Whew. I hate spider webs everywhere. Quite much. I hate them. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's see. Somebody was pooping here for quite long, I think. Let me get some water. You're lucky that the camera doesn't transfer the smell. Otherwise, you wouldn't like it. All the flavors of Provence. I think somebody was pooping here, but no water for flushing, so it was clogged for years. Luckily, there's Stan the cleaning man. Whatever you say. Oh, wow. I don't know if you see the disaster.
I think we better not show it.
Really? Oh, it's terrible. And it smells like it looks. Well, okay. Now you can show it. There's just some shit left. Not much, but some. Okay, so now when this is done, I have to find where the water must arrive, because we want to produce the same scenario, this unknown squatter who was pooping here. Something that usually we get to the places that are really not cozy, and we are making them cozy. I think it will be the case of this toilet. Well, in this building there's a heater that is working, like apparently, and this that is also working. Let's see if we can get the water arrival. So, this is plugged here. This comes like this. Okay. This was the cable for the electricity, but where was, you know, something? Okay, so it goes out on this side. Let's see. The water arrives from here. Okay, so it must be somewhere here down. Let's see if we manage. If we don't manage now, we will do it tomorrow. Actually, there must be some kind of door or something. Oh, I can, you know, still under impression of the smell. You know what's weird? That, you know, there's nothing to close the water there. So it really must be something here in this zone, and we must find it. Ladies and gentlemen, so here it's the next day. We are continuing doing this. Meanwhile, the work is going on in the workshop. First, before starting, I would like to do the following. You know, here we have bird feeders, and you know, they get empty. And I would like to know how long it takes to empty one by the birds. So here I have some seeds that I will put in their feeders, and we will see, maybe in the next video, maybe in the video after, you will see if they become empty or not, and in how many days. This one looks full, but it's because they cannot get big seeds out. I think I will just leave it on the ground and leave it open. Probably like this, they will be able to eat. Oh, and check this out, you know, last year we put some nests, and here you can see now the bird is gone, but there's a nest inside. You know, several of bird houses like this, there's nests inside. Well, this one, some seeds are left, but I will add. You know, I'm thinking about putting probably like a webcam or something, so we can see what birds come. Like this. Okay, and now back to work. Okay, so we know the departure is somewhere in the chateau, the arrival is here, and our aim to find the arrival and the departure. Ladies and gentlemen, we are continuing doing workshop and Château. I would like to reply to people who are saying, yeah, it's not Château, I'm not watching. It's you who choose what you would like to watch, but we need workshop to do the Château. It's not just business, you know, something like this. It's a place where we prepare our stuff that goes to the Château. Some people started watching us recently, so they don't know what's the distance between the Château and the workshop. And finally, the distance is quite small. It's near 600 meters. So you can go walking from one to another, and in some video you saw a drone flight from one to another. So what I'm doing now? Now we are putting cables, you know, reanimating old cables. We, you know, plugs here are working, even not perfect, but everything is functional. Now we are putting table, electric table for the office. So, you know, let me show you what was done here. So we installed the old table. Inside we just put new differentials and new switches. And now I will have to plug this one, you see? So there was an old cable going somewhere inside. Normally it's 3 phases cable, but I will use it as monophase cable. And so here we have a main differential. We have the switches that have different amperage, like different power. And we have some thermal switch that goes with this one. So here, this will be the arrival of the electricity. And then I will have to plug myself to this one to make it go here. And here is the ground. I bought one that is almost ready and I'm installing. So we got, like, you know, many different switches, and just I have to plug them now on these little rails. Well, it looks prettier than it was before. So now we have to install some plugs there, and I have to plug it here, and I think we're done. Well, actually, I can just plug it right now. So here we are close to the finish, and now our colleagues are preparing this wall. I won't install plugs now. I will just install this, you know, in the called coffret de chantier, means construction site table. Like this, we will have electricity here, and it's already done. Ladies and gentlemen, today it's not very productive day because we installed this. I plugged myself to an old cable from 60s and we have a trouble. Here the departure goes at 220 volts. When it arrives to the end, it's 60 volts. And in the middle, it's 140 volts. So we are losing power somehow by this old cable. So now I'll just stop for this, because I probably have to use modern cables to use this. So in place of trying to find a temporary solution, I probably have to use directly a permanent one. Ladies and gentlemen, so meanwhile I am on site. My team, as you can see, did some investigations, and so the theory about where pipes can come was correct. So now we found them. We didn't manage to extract everything, but we managed to do, at least to see where they pass. And as you can see, my floof, he's here with me. He's a little bit sick because he ate something, so he puked a lot. Poor doggy. So he stays with me now, and we will see how it goes. So please like, subscribe, and I have something to ask you. Can you please write down where are you from? Where are you watching us from? Like maybe some town, some state, some country. Always very interesting. So please like, subscribe, and